Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how you can get unrecoverable errors through unwrap and expect usage and panicking macros. So unwrap is used to unwrap option and result types to get values back. However, an unwrap will throw a panic if it gets none back from the option type or error from the result type. Expect works in exactly the same way, but we can also pass a custom panic message. In this example, we try to open a file using file open, and in the first scenario, we unwrap the result type. And in the second scenario, we just use expect and pass a custom panic message. Like in general, unwrap and expect are great when those are used in tests or when we are confident that we won't get none or error back. So let's move on to panicking macros. As the name suggests, panicking macros are macros which throw panic. There are several of them, such as panic, unreachable, unimplemented, to do, assert equal, assert not equal, and their debug variants. We should always be aware which macros cause panic to either avoid them altogether in production or implement some safeguards so that they won't cause severe issues. Like for instance, leaving to do macro in production code might lead to some malicious actor abusing it if they find the path to the place where to do macro is used. In worst case scenarios, it might even lead to denial of service. In this example, we just get a number from a user, and depending on the number, we reach to different panicking macros, such as if the number is odd, we reach to panic. If the number is bigger than 10,000, we reach to unimplemented, then we assert the number with a secret number, and if the number is not larger or equal to secret number, we just panic with a message, you picked the wrong number. So yeah. All right, so now it's time to run some code examples, and let me hop into my text editor. All right, so in this simple example, we are trying to open the file test.txt. And in the first scenario, we are unwrapping the result type using unwrap. And in the second scenario, we use expect to unwrap the result type. And we pass a custom panic message inside of expect. So let us first run the first scenario. All right, as expected, we got a panic back on unwrap, and we got a built-in error message coming from file open. So let me just comment this line out, uncomment that one, and change file metadata to file2 metadata. Okay, let me rerun it. And as expected, we got a custom panic message coming from expect with an error message coming from file open. All right, so let us move to panicking macros RS. And in this example, we just get a number from a user, and depending on the number, we reach different panicking macros, as you can see from here. Here are the rules. If number is odd, we reach panic. If number is larger than 10,000, we reach unimplemented. And if number is not equal secret number, we also panic with a custom panicking message saying you picked the wrong number. So let me just run it with different inputs to see how it works. So yeah, panicking macros. Let me enter odd number first. Yeah, and as expected, we got panic back saying only even numbers are accepted from here. Let me just rerun it with something larger than 10,000. Let us enter 20,000. Yeah, we got unimplemented from here. And now let me just rerun it with something which does not equal a secret number. Let me enter 30. All right, as expected, we got you picked a wrong number. It passed all of those checks, and we landed here on assert. All right, so that's all for this video. See you in the next lecture.